New IRCC Work Permit Extension Policy 2024 for PNP candidates. Canada has introduced a new work permit extension policy, effective from August 11, 2024, targeting candidates under the Provincial Nominee Program's PNP. This policy aims to retain skilled foreign workers who contribute to the Canadian economy while providing a streamlined pathway to permanent residency. Topics discussed in this video: overview of the new work permit extension policy, eligibility criteria for PNP candidates, exemptions and admissibility requirements, policy impact and expiration date. Overview of the new work permit extension policy. Canada's Minister of Citizenship and Immigration, Mark Miller, has launched a new public policy under the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act, IRPA. This policy allows eligible foreign nationals residing in Canada under PNP to receive open work permits more easily, enhancing their ability to contribute to the economy. Eligibility criteria for PNP candidates. To qualify for the work permit extension, candidates must meet specific criteria, such as holding a valid work permit, having applied for a new permit, and providing a support letter from the provincial or territorial authority. The letter must confirm that the candidate is in an expression of interest pool or undergoing eligibility assessment under the PNP. Exemptions and admissibility requirements. The policy grants exemptions from certain regulatory requirements, allowing eligible foreign nationals to continue working legally in Canada while their PNP application is processed. However, all other legislative requirements remain in effect, ensuring that only admissible candidates benefit from this policy. Policy impact and expiration date. Set to expire on December 31, 2024, this policy is part of Canada's strategy to retain skilled workers and support economic growth. The government may revoke the policy at any time, so eligible candidates are encouraged to apply promptly to secure their future in Canada. This new IRCC policy demonstrates Canada's commitment to creating a robust immigration system that supports both foreign nationals and the country's economic needs.